Alrighty guys, welcome back to another daily adventure where we pop our daily incense. How you doing? Hope all's well. Pop it. Welcome to the series. If you're new here, subscribe. I try and do daily uploads. I'm trying to work on it, guys. First one we got is a Meowth. My berries are looking really low. But let me catch y'all up to date. But first off, we're trying to catch all of the legendaries spawning on the daily. We caught a Moltres with a Master Ball. Seen Articuno many times, haven't caught in it. And still have not seen a Zapdos. So today I've definitely swapped up locations. I'm deep down south in my county at Boyd Hill Nature Preserve Park, and man, I love this place. This place is awesome. Done a lap around the place. This place is huge. We're on the main trail, so we're gonna go straight spritzy down, and also stay tuned to the end where we check stats, see if we caught a 0 or a hundo. And then I'll show my XP at the end. Paris. Gotta catch the Paris, yo. Easy 500, duh. We had a Spoink. We already caught it. Forgot I wasn't recording. You feel me? But, I don't even forgot where I was at when I hit pause on the recording. But yeah, I think I was talking about the gates. They locked the gates. It's a place where they lock the gates, so your boy ain't trying to get no tickets. So we're definitely heading to the front. Why did I pineapple you? It's 5:23 right now. There's another Gopher Tortoise. Hey, little guy. Yo, you guys are so popular. He's got a mouthful of grass. Little guy was hungry. Oh man, I need to throw the Pokeball. Here we go. Wow. Missed. Wow. Paris was down, and now we got a Kabuto. I'm gonna pineapple you. Yeah. And also, I think Kabuto's shiny is arguably one of the best shinies in the game. Just saying. Just saying. Wild Mankey. Oh, Aerodactyl. We already caught you, but this was part of the collection challenge. Excellent throw. 213. You guys are here for the adventure. Thank you for tuning in. We need 999 excellent throws. Aerodactyl down. 2 pineapples back. I'll take that. What do we get? 2 more pineapples. Evolve a Pokemon. We could do that. Not right now, but we will. Got to evolve one anyways for the collection challenge. Also, I think Drillbur is shiny, right? I really want it. Also, another thing about this park is we have a Wimpod. Is that it's really quiet. It's peaceful. So peaceful. And the trees are enough coverage to where it's like good constant shade. I really do like Boyd Hill Park. I need all these Pokestops though. Oh, we're pretty much at the front. Okay, well then let's go, and we're gonna make a right. This is like the front of it. Oh, Diglett, let's go. You guys were probably yelling at me. Let's go. We're going to hit him with a Goldenraz because we need to. We definitely need this. And it's starting to sprinkle a little bit. We should be good though. Oh, I'm so glad we got that. But I wanted to check this Kabuto. It's not a shiny. Unfortunate. Now I'm trying to debate which way to go because we're at the front. Oh, look at that's a sculpture. It's a sculpture by Paul Epling. Rest in peace. Google him. Paul Epling. $214 excellent throws. You didn't see it, but I got a recording of the thing, the notification running across the screen. Alright, we're gonna go this way, I guess, and try and hit some new Pokestops. Wild Paris. We're definitely gonna chuck a ball because easy 500 dust. Hopefully it stayed in the ball. How much is this Pokestop? Will it not let me? I know I have a Aerodactyl in front of me, but alright, we're gonna go that way anyways, so let me just chuck a ball at you. You're not shiny anyways. Okay. That. Dang. 1,200 for that Pokestop. We have a Cacnea for the event we're in. I don't have an egg, so I gotta plan out. Where I can find some new Pokestops, yo, because like I don't spawn every damn Pokestop in this county just about. Cacnea down. Oh, this is cool back here. What is this? Bunnelby? Oh, I can't go that way. Okay, I gotta turn around. Yeah, let's go Mewtwo. Let's go. We got another Moltres. Yo, guys. It's a Moltres. Not a Pokestop. Moltres. Let's go. CP 552. Golden Res. I'm not going to use a Master Ball. I do have one, but I'm not going to use it. I need an Articuno or a Zapdos. Okay, it's pretty far out there. Terrible throw. Terrible throw. Stay. Please stay. For the love of God. I love you. Dang it. Yo, okay, I mean, yo. Finally, we saw a bird. It wasn't one we needed, but like, yo, they exist. That's crazy. Thank you, Lord, to see that. That legit, that makes my day right there. I didn't catch it. Like, did not even catch it, but it is what it is, yo. Maybe we can get another one. We have 4.5 minutes left. With a Jiggly. I don't want to go this way. I want to turn around. I'm trying to hit that other path. Alright, Jiggly. Down. Also, give me these Pokestops. I need them. 100%. If I see a Articuno or a Zapdos, like I gotta throw the Master Ball. I have to. And also, there's another gym up there that I kind of want to take too. You dig? This Bunnelby is like just not wanting to. There we go. Either caught it or I didn't. I don't know. Just over 3 minutes left to go. Got a Vulpix. Well. Oh man. Dang it. It is what it is, yo. Can't even be mad about it. Execute. Down. Okay. Machop. I see you. Yeah, you threw me off when you jumped. I was trying to go for that excellent. Oh. fine. It's all good. I'm not losing my sanity. Goldeen shiny? No. I don't have a Goldeen shiny yet either. Okay, Goldeen down. It's great. I'm at this gym. I'm going to take this gym. Wild Aerodactyl. Whoa. No shine. I'm going to chuck a ball at you though. Full picks. Oh, and they're all dead too, pretty much. Drill bird. Alright, Drillbird goes down. This is my second wild Machoke that I've seen. Meowth in the wild. Easy money. 14 seconds left. Yo, can I get one like, is it this one? It's Basculin? It's Basculin for the last spawn of the day. Alright, we gotta make this quick. That was the last one. 16 Pokemon caught, 986 meters on today's adventure, with the highlight probably going to be the Aerodactyl. Yeah, Aerodactyl. Unfortunately, it's not the Moltres, but whatever. Boom, one done. Hey, alright. We did both the collection challenges, so there it is. 102. Bet. 103. Let's go. Okay. Alright. Alright. Wrong button. Now let's go ahead and... Dang. So what? Do I have a star piece? Facts. Okay. Let's go ahead. Yes. 3750. Bunch of Aerodactyl Mega Candy with the Anorith. Alright, Anorith went down pretty easily. Next one. 3750 Stardust. 25 Aerodactyl Mega Candy. Lil Peep, yo. I need you, buddy. We go. Alright, come on. Alright, so those were the collection challenges. Do I have anything else we could shiny check? We do. Last shiny check of the episode. Another Anorith. Great. I mean, I don't have this shiny though. Alright, Anorith went down. The flies are all over my ears. They're making me insane. Let's go ahead and check stats real quick. No zeros. No hundos. I just kicked a seashell. And my level. 2,194,000. Grind into level 50. We're so close, y'all. Also, I have to show y'all this. Oh, no, not that. But this. 999 excellent throws. I'm at 214. And successfully catch the next 5 legendary and mythical Pokemon you encounter. Wow, so I lost that stat because I lost to a 3-star Shadow Raid. So Shadows are mythical. Freaking A, man. Okay, I'm at 0. Like and subscribe for more, though. Shiny check. Hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Hope you guys have a great day. I shall see you in the next one. Peace. Hey, wait. Also, I just wanted to get this, too. I have purified 500 Shadow Pokemon. Yay. And we need to do it 500 more times for Platinum. Let's go. Okay, bye.